Hello students, welcome back to your EVS class, Standard 3rd. This is your first session of chapter 13, Sharing Our Feelings. Talking about feelings is a healthy way to express. It helps us feel close to people who care. It helps us feel better when we are sad or scared. So let's begin with the chapter now. At the end of this session, you will be able to identify some people with whom you can share feelings. Explore the different ways by which old people can be helped. Discuss how blind people communicate. As I have told you, that sharing our feelings is a healthy way to express. We all want to share our feelings with our parents, grandparents, and friends. A friend can be a good person to talk to. Children, we will begin the chapter with an interesting story. This story is all about Seema and her Ravi Vaiya. So let's enjoy the story now. Hi, I am Seema. I am studying in 3rd standard. After returning home from school, there are two people with whom I like to share all my news. They enjoy listening to my tales. My dear children, what do you do when you are back from school? Do you share what you have learned in school? Do you share your experiences in school with your parents, grandparents, brothers, sisters, cousins, or friends? Today, I will tell you a secret. Developing this habit of sharing what you have learned once at least every day at home. This will enhance your memory too. Trust me. The first person is my nanny. The first person waiting eagerly to meet me is my nanny. She is always anxious to listen to me. She waits for me to return from school. She is quite old and often has back pains. She cannot see or hear well. Every day in the morning, Papa reads the newspaper aloud to her. Why does Papa read the newspaper to Nani? Can you tell? Yes, because Nani cannot see or hear properly. That is why every day in the morning, Papa reads the newspaper aloud to her. Though Nani is old and has back pain, she does the rest of her work herself. If someone tries to help her, she gets very upset. Now think over. Children, you were in standard 3rd. How much you are dependent on your parents to get ready to come to school? Do you get ready by yourself or wait for your parents to help you in each and everything? Well, past is past. Now bring a change. Start doing your work yourself. Right? Though she cannot see properly, she is very fond of cutting vegetables. She says these days children do not know how to cut vegetables properly. Dear children, I know you all are very good. Start helping your parents in small domestic work. It gives them pleasure and you too will feel happy helping your parents, right? Students, do you know why my Nani cannot see or hear well? Yes, she cannot see or hear well because she is old. Old people have health issues. It's our responsibility to take care of them. Students, here are some questions for you all. The first question says, Seema's father reads the newspaper aloud to her Nani. How do you help old people? Basically, there are many ways to help the old people. One can help them in household works, help them to cross the road, spend quality time with them. That is how one can help the old people. Here the question says, what kind of problems do people have in their old age? Well, there are lots of problems that people have in their old age. They cannot see, hear, eat, or walk properly. They have back pain. They have pain in their knees and other joints. The second person is my Ravi Bhaiya. He lives with us. I call him Ravi Bhaiya and he calls my parents Bhaiya Bhabhi. I do not know what our relationship is, but he is a very loving brother. He is always ready to answer my questions. He never says, I will tell you later. Ravi Bhaiya teaches in a college. The students of the college respect him a lot. Ravi Bhaiya is very fond of listening to music and taking part in plays. He enjoys chatting with his friends and going out with them. So here we have come to know that Ravi Bhaiya is a very loving brother. He teaches in a college. He is very fond of listening to music and taking part in plays. He enjoys chatting with his friends and going out with them. He has a good sense of humor and makes all of us laugh. So today in session 1 we have learnt Seema's story. We have also learnt about the problems that people have in their old age and what is our responsibility towards these old people. We have to be very polite with them. We should respect them and we have to help them. In the next session, we will learn more about Ravi Bhaiya. We will discuss the difficulties faced by him. So students, here I have given you the home assignment. Now You have to write these answers in your EVS notebook. Now, I will stop my today's teaching session over here. I will continue the rest of the chapter in the next sessions. Children, now go through the session, revise it, and also finish your home assignment. Thank you.